Yo, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. This is for all my SAAB homies. I've got the little ladies SAAB SPORTCOMBI. We're sitting on 152, 584. Let's do a little startup. Oh, she's running good, running good. Oh yeah. Ever since left low beam failure. Not good. Yeah. Last time I saw this, she was telling me she had a headlight out. I've got to get one put in while I'm up here visiting my son. And I've got to cut some freaking bushes. Look how big those damn bushes are. Son of a gun. Anyway, so I thought I'd run to the good old, there's the benzo. Run to the good old dollar store and pick up some cleaning supplies. Have I not shut my door? What's up with this light on back here? Huh. Need to try and get a low beam for this thing. It's like we're gonna get us some weather here. Got the nice cold AC going today. We need it today. Uh-oh, better roll your windows up, girl. Man, I love driving this car. It is so spirited, spunky. Little 2-liter turbos just got oodles of torque and get up and go, man. You ain't even got to try. You just give it a little bit of throttle and it just rolls out, man. Just rolls right on out. So yeah, not too much to update or report. Miles are staying low. She's a school teacher, and since school's been out, you know, they've been quarantining pretty heavily up here, other than just short trips to get curbside grocery service. So the miles have been staying off this thing. She's gonna start putting them on there next school year, though. She switched, she took a new job with the county school system away from the city school system. She's been with the city school system for 20-something years, but they're a bunch of damn idiots. So she's going to the county school system, and now she's got a commute ahead of her up the interstate, about 2 exits. So we'll be putting a few miles on the SAAB then. I'm gonna run here in the dollar store and get some products. Now we got some rain. Shoot, yeah, man. Need I say it again? This is the best $3,000 I've ever spent on a car. This damn thing has been so good. We've had it almost a year. We're creeping up on a year. Oh, I think it had about 144 on it. We didn't put many miles on it though, but it's been a great little car. Other than me putting some spark plugs in it, one coil. Let's see, we've done 2 oil changes. Oh, I put 2 new tires on the front. I mean, it's been a great car. I mean, great car. I only put the spark plugs in it because it was just stumbling a little bit on cold starts. It did not like a cold start. Alright, so we're going to do a little... In a while. Probably going to get some wheel spin. Yeah. It's okay. She is so darn quick. A little 4-cylinder will move, buddy. Slick, slick, slick. So, all my SAAB people, it's been curious. Not a lot has changed. Everything's standing pretty status quo. She's just been clicking along just fine. No problems. Serving its purpose well. No car payment. No car payment. And my wife likes it. And hell, if my wife likes it, she don't like much. If she likes it, that's saying something. That's saying a whole lot. Y'all have a good day. Have a good weekend. Like, subscribe, comment. Please like. Please subscribe. It's free to subscribe. I need subs. I need them to support the channel. Please. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good weekend. Take care. Bye.